Hello everyone. We are in week 6 discussion part 2 today. I will explain how healthcare administrator guide organization culture and work process across functional unit. My analysis is grounded on chapter 11 and 12 for our textbook, which focus on eliminating health disparities and building organization culture. Administrator behavior directly shapes organization culture. The textbook defines organization culture as the belief, values, and way of interacting that contribute to an organization's environment. Howell ETL 2026. When administrator model ethical behavior, communicate transparently, and hold themselves accountable, they create a culture where employees feel safe and valued. Culture affects coordination and performance across departments because it determines how staff communicate, collaborate, and respond to challenges. If the culture is one of uh, blame and uh, defensive, department will avoid sharing information and performance and problems will go unreported. If the culture is one of the trust and openness, departments will work together to solve problems and improve care. Research on health care organization confirmed that aligning culture across work unit is important for delivering high quality care, but variation in perception of culture can serve a functional purpose in reducing job stress. As Tester ETL 2024, one culture barrier described in the chapter that disrupt alignment among functional units is the tendency for departments to operate in silos. The textbook explained that functional organizations often have specialized departments that focus on their own tasks without communicating with others. This leads to poor coordination and fragmented care. However, ETL 2026, for example, the nursing unit might discharge a patient without properly communicate with pharmacy, leading to medication error. The laboratory might delay test result without notifying the clinical team, causing treatment delays. This silo mentality creates barriers that prevent departments from working together effectively. Research suggests that healthcare organizations must balance culture alignment and heterogeneity to improve care quality and worker experience. Taker at ETL 2024. Administrators use delegation, accountability structure, and feedback mechanism to guide subordinate leaders and ensure consistent performance. Delegation involves assigning specific responsibilities to each department leader, such as nursing director, pharmacy director, and quality manager. Accountability structure includes clear performance expectations, regular evaluations, and consequences for poor performance. As Howell ETL 2026. Feedback mechanisms such as a regular department meetings, performance reports, and employees surveys allow the administrators to receive inputs from frontline staff about what is working and what is not. When these elements are in place, subordinate leaders understand their roles, know how they will evaluate, and can provide input to improve performance. One leadership approach from the chapter that help administrators translate missing mission and values into daily operation is transformational leadership. The test the textbooks explain that transformational leaders encourage and inspire their employees to create change within the organization using inspiration and empathy to motivate employees. However, ETL 2026. This To use this approach, the administrator first communicate a clear vision for culture, competence, and patient-centered care. Second, the administrator inspires staff to embrace this vision by showing how it benefits patient and staff. Third, the administrator provides individualized support to staff who needs help adapting to new expectations. Fourth, the administrator encourage creative problem solving and innovation. By applying transformational leadership, the administrator leaders translate the organization mission into daily action across all departments. Research confirms that the transformational leadership plays a major role in enhancing organization culture and service outcomes within the healthcare sector, described by Mohajer Batasmi, ETL 2026. Thank you so much for your time, guys.